This is the AIPER Seagull SE. New brand. It looks so cool. It's like something of Marvel. So we've got it set up. We've got the brushes added to the bottom. We've got it charged up. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down this power button here. It came on, and now I'm just going to hold it in the water a little bit. Let it kind of take in some water and let go. And see, immediately it's moving across the bottom. And it's going to start doing this thing. It'll take a while. It'll run for an hour or so, maybe 50 minutes, depending on your charge and stuff. And start picking up the leaves. You can see, look at the track that it's leaving behind. There's a huge pile. Can it get it? Let's see. We've hit like almost off season, but oh, look at that. It like got so much of it. It's moving around. So I'm going to let this run, and then we'll see what it looks like afterwards. I can already tell it's going to do a great job. It's just going to move around wherever it needs to, and starts picking everything. You can see there's the AIPER Seagull 600 I threw in there as well, and I got to get it out of there now. But I love that track that it just made on top of it. Look at it moving around, because I've got a little spot in my pool where the liner is rolled up. It's like, I'm going to go backwards around that. So it's just going to work and do its thing. Go around and pick up as many of these leaves as possible. I'm not covered up yet, and I'm right at the end of the summer season, and it's raining, but my pool's not closed yet, and it's still getting a lot of leaves. So this is going to do a really good job of getting all my leaves out. All right, so we still got a lot of leaves left because our pool is pretty bad. But I want to go ahead and, like, you put this hook on the end of your pole, and then you'll reach down, and you got to kind of hook on to the end, and because it's in the water, it's going to be really lightweight, to be honest with you. So pull it up. So we pop the two ends loose, and we'll have this grab each side there, and then let's see, what do we get in there? Look at all that. Completely full of leaves. Like, it's just so full. We had so many in there. So this does a really good job of picking them up. So what I do is rinse this off, rinse that out, and then charge this back up, and we'll keep cleaning our pool. But the AIPER Seagull SE does a fantastic job.
All right, you're looking at the AIPER Seagull SE robotic battery powered pool cleaner that I just got for my above ground pool. Here's 24-foot round. I just opened it up for the spring summer here, and as you can see, I took the cover off and we got some dirt on the bottom. So I'm gonna give this guy a little test and let you guys know how it turns out here. So basically it's pretty handy to handle here. Underneath you got two brushes I installed, and then the suction there basically. So on the button power here, I charged it up. Took about an hour and a half to charge fully. And basically I'm supposed to press this button and see what happens here to start it up. So it's on, the blue lights are on, and I'm supposed to put it in the pool, let it go, and it should turn on in 30 seconds or so. So I'm going to drop it in there and see how it goes. And there it goes. So it's running. It goes pretty quick too. Let's see, it hits the wall. Let's see what it does. It's thinking. Now it's backing up. That's good. Now it's going the other way. You can see I got some salt. I put some salt in. You can see it's stirring up some dirt, but let's I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'll get back to you when it's done and see how the pool looks. All right, just finished the pool. I just took it out of the pool, and I just wanted to show you how much it collected here and how well it does. So as you can see, it did quite a bit here. Got a lot of leaves and even the sands in here. So it did a great job of, you know, picking up all the stuff on the bottom of the pool. And next I'll show you the pool. All right, so here's the end result after running the AIPER SE robotic cleaner, cordless, battery operated little guy. So as you can see, before and after, I have a nice clean pool. Actually did a really good job for that little guy, and it ran for about an hour and a half, I think. I came back and he was right by the bottom of the pool here, sitting there. So I scooped him up with the included hook. You just put the pole down and hook them, and then bring them right up. And that was easy to do. And as I showed you before, how much dirt it caught, how much leaves it picked up, it was all good. And I just rinsed the filter and put him on the recharger and charge him back for another hour and a half, and he's ready to go for the next round. So yeah, on a weekly maintenance, this guy will do awesome. So really happy with the purchase here, and highly recommend.